What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with more bullish content with another banger of a Tonic video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support on these videos. It really means a lot. It really is amazing to see you guys supporting these videos, and you know, it's great that we're spreading the word of Tonic out as much as we can, you know, in any shape or form that we can, right? And yeah, it's just really great to see how active and how bullish the Tonic community is, the Tonic fam is. So yeah, once again, can't thank you guys enough for the support on these videos. In this video, there could be some speculation that is going around. Saw a tweet that Coinbase is officially tracking Tonic, and who knows what could become of that, right? Is that a sign for a potential Coinbase listing in the future for Tonic? Who knows, right? But we're gonna dive into it once again in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Right now the channel is at 1,760 subscribers. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's get these videos out there into the algorithm. Free marketing for Tonic. As these videos grow, more and more people will get recommended these videos, and then we have more and more people joining the Tonic fam and community, and thus growing the project in the process. Tonic has 30,295 people on the watch list. I'm telling you guys, I'm keeping a notice of that. This is like my tracking log for the growth of Tonic. Every time the watch list increases, it's like, oh, we just got increase in the watch list. We just think, you know, I'm coming from with that. Soon we'll be at 31,000 people on the watch list, and then 50,000 and 100,000. It's just gonna keep growing, guys, and it's great to see. Tonic up 2% on the 24-hour, $23.9 million in market cap, 186K in 24-hour trade volume, down 40% on the trade volume. That's fine. We're still holding very strong in the chart. As you guys can see, we had the move up, and we are continuing up further, guys. We have minor corrections along the way, but we are still in this bullish pattern. I really believe this could be the bull run, the bull trend, guys. You know, $10 million in market cap for Tonic just may have been the floor. Right back here, I remember right back here was around $10 million in market cap. Right back here could have been the Tonic floor, guys. And from now on, we could continue up further, right? But still a great entry if you DCA. Who knows what could happen in the future from here. So even if it's $23 million in market cap, still just under 24 million, it's still a great entry. We still have much more room to cover in the future, because if we zoom out on the broader time frame for Tonic, on the all, you guys see we have a ton of room to cover. Say we even go back to all-time high, that is a ton of room for us to cover in the future, guys, to get back all the way back to all-time high. That is a ton of growth for Tonic in the potential future. So, you know, buckle up, guys, buckle up. It's gonna be crazy for Tonic in the future, I'm telling you. Now, like always, Tonic a part of the Chronos chain, Chronos ecosystem, one of the top projects on the Chronos ecosystem. Just wanted to check out the holder addresses as well. Even the holder addresses, like I said, increasing 36,413. I remember it being around 35,000. So even the whole, as you guys can see, everything about Tonic has been increasing, right? Even if we do check out like the Tonic Twitter, for example, almost 57,000 followers for Tonic on Twitter. I remember it being at 55,000, right? The growth is taking place. It's a nice and steady growth, and you love to see that. Now this is from Frank B. Tonic on Coinbase just getting warmed up. Now this is so bullish. I made a little I covered this just a little bit in my previous videos, but I didn't really go in depth on it. Tonic being trapped by Coinbase. Tonic is also being trapped by Binance. These are the type of possibilities that you can't rule out for a great project like Tonic. It has great utility. It has great TVL. Tier 1 exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. I've said it, guys. Binance, for example, has so much DeFi projects that are listed on it. Coinbase also has, let me show you guys, something called their experimental assets, where they're listing smaller cap projects. And I remember getting some nice trades, getting like a 3x 4x on a few trades that were getting listed on Coinbase in the experimental asset label, right? This is a new thing that they introduced last year, and they listed a number of assets under the experimental label, right? Who's to say that can't happen for Tonic? What is the experimental asset label? To be transparent and help customers make informed decisions, we've added an experimental asset label to certain tradable assets that are either new to our platform or have relatively low trading volume compared to our broader crypto marketplace. We encourage you to exercise caution as always. Manage your risk with these assets as they come with certain risks, including price swings and canceled orders associated with lower volume and availability. So this is this update that took place for Coinbase last year with the experimental asset label. Tonic could fall under that asset label and get listed on Coinbase. I don't want to mention any other projects that, you know, got listed under this label, but they listed around like 20 or so projects. I think around 25 projects under this asset label, and a lot of them were around the same market cap as Tonic, right? A lot of them were around the same market cap as Tonic, like 20 million, 50 million dollars in market cap, with similar trade volume as well. So like I said, guys, always expect the unexpected in crypto. This could potentially happen. Coinbase listing for Tonic could potentially happen. I wouldn't rule it out, okay? Even if it's under the experimental asset label, it's still a Coinbase listing, because those projects got a lot of traction after they got listed, you know, and they're just gonna be there as long as, you know, the team keeps developing, the project doesn't die. They're still there on Coinbase. You could purchase them right now just like any other asset, so keep an eye out for that. Just wanted to see anything else here. Plan to list, okay, from JC Media, does Coinbase plan to list it at some point? And from Zegomatic.Crow, well, it's a possibility, but we're not in this phase so far, according to the white papers, though. You can see the price chart on Coinbase, but the more we talk about it, the more attention it gets, and that is super accurate. The more you guys mention these, the more the community mention these top projects associated with Tonic, Binance, Coinbase, you know, the people at Coinbase, the people at Binance might take notice and be like, wow, this community is very active. Maybe we give them a chance to get listed, right? The project has very unique utility and performing super well, so maybe we should list this project. Don't rule it out, guys. From Bushido Crypto, Tonic is still a good buy-in. 4-year lock is a no-brainer at these prices, utilizing the DeFi of Tonic. Shout out to Bushido. Tonic from JB Trades. Tonic, it reminds me of Doge when I bought it, extremely cheap. I made a lot of money with Doge, and many who bought because I told them to buy. Now, this is what I love to see, guys who have made previous gains in previous cycles, letting you guys know, hey, this looks similar to this project as far as potential gains we could get. You know, Tonic sending as hard as Doge did last cycle. Who's to say it can't happen, guys? I'm telling you, don't rule these things out. From James Choi, broader market chart as well. When investors, traders are more short in history, price action tends to go the exact opposite direction. So right now, majority of investors and traders are short. With all of those shorts that are happening right now, there is the more than likely potential chance for a short squeeze to happen. All of those shorts to get liquidated and then we have a huge price swing to the upside, huge parabolic move to the upside. Just like in the bear market last year when we had so much extreme fear constantly. People were going long. There were a lot of people trying to go long, but the shorters were liquidating the longs constantly, over and over again. When the market flips bullish and things turn around, there's gonna be people that constantly want to go short, thinking no, it's gonna go lower, and then the longs those shorts will get liquidated by the bulls, and then the longs will just keep getting pushed to the upside consistently until we get to the point where we get to extreme greed, right? We'll leave extreme fear, and then we're gonna get to extreme greed. That's when you decide, okay, now is the time to take profits, right? But that could be a year, 2, 3 years out. If this is the start of the bull markets last longer than bear markets. Bear markets typically last around a year and a half. Bull markets typically last 3 years. So just diamond hand, be patient, wait until it seems like a good top. A good top for me for Bitcoin would be around the 100 or so K range, but you know, around 86K would be more realistic. So we'll see what happens, right? You're never gonna time the exact bottom, you're never gonna time the exact top. Take profits on the way up. Be smart, guys, be very smart. And the final chart from Alem Zadeh. DXY monthly, don't need much else to tell you what happens next. The biggest short squeeze markets have ever seen is upon us. Literally what I was just explaining from James Choi's tweet and his chart. The biggest short squeeze market has ever seen is upon us. Short squeeze meaning that the shorts will be liquidated and then the longs will push price up to the parabolic upside, right? So for example, let's zoom out. All of the people are shorting Tonic here, leverage short Tonic. The shorts get liquidated, boom, huge candle. You see it in Bitcoin all the time. I remember last time when Bitcoin was making its previous move to right down here, when it was all the way back down here. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. It came all the way back down to 31K, and then there were just daily candles of shorts being liquidated, and we just had big moves to the upside, just huge short squeezes straight to 64K, right? This was the second move up that it had. When that is happening, guys, trust and believe that's gonna happen to Tonic as well. Tonic is gonna follow to up 2.71%, just moved up a little bit more. Right now, Chronos is on the move up. Tonic is right behind, following Chronos to a T, guys. I'm telling you, it's following the Chronos blockchain to a T. It's super bullish stuff to see here. So from this chart, the DXY continues to tumble. Stocks go up, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, Ethereum go up, Tonic goes up. It's just that simple. It's just that simple, guys. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. As always, really appreciate all the support. If you made it to this part of the video, you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.